What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video for the 04 Cobra. Today we're going to be installing a new custom gauge overlay. Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing a new custom gauge overlay from Stick It Designs. I had purchased this off his website, received it in less than a week, super fast shipping, and it's going to be a silver with the SVT logo overlay for my AEM wideband sensor. So I've been wanting to do this for a little while now, finally found the company that offers it. It was about $18 with free shipping, give or take, so not too bad, doesn't break the budget at all. So check them out if you're looking to get some custom gauge overlays. He does all different types of logos and colors, pretty much anything that you can think of. So let's go into the Cobra, get the gauge out, and we'll show you how to install it. All right, guys, so it is super easy to remove. I have the steering column pod here from Autometer. So all you're gonna do is you're just gonna rotate this bezel counterclockwise, and you're gonna be able to spin that right off. And sometimes it'll come off with it. Otherwise, this just is recessed. It just sits right in there. And then you can take this whole faceplate right out, and then we'll bring it over to the workbench. So we're back here now. You can see here is the faceplate, and it has the acrylic cover. So you just lift that right off. We'll set that aside. You have the little gasket here. So you're gonna wanna take that gasket off, place that to the side, and now you have this faceplate. So you want to make sure some of them will have a plastic kind of film over the top. So I don't believe mine has it, some do. If it has it, you want to make sure that you peel that off, because otherwise it's going to conflict with installing your new decal. So just make sure that it doesn't have any type of plastic film on it, which I do not see. All right, so next up then, I just have some prep spray, which is pretty much alcohol and some water. So we'll just spray that on there, give that a good cleaning so that everything will stick nice, get all our finger grease off. Give that a second. And now I have a little bit of soapy water in the bottom. So you just want to spray that generously. Take off your decal and just be very careful with it so that you don't put any pulls in it. Like so. You can give that a little spray. Now we'll try to get this all centered as perfect as possible. Here we go. Now it's looking pretty good. Go over with the squeegee a little bit. Get some of that excess water out from underneath. Then we'll give it a dab straight down so you don't move the sticker at all. And then there you have it. So now I'm gonna give it a little bit of time to dry. You can hit it with a blow dryer if you want to speed up the process, but just make sure it's not too hot so that you don't shrink it or move it at all. But as you can see, it's on there pretty perfect. The cut is very, very good. So he did a great job with making it. So once this is all dry, we'll put our gasket back on. I'm going to give the acrylic faceplate a good cleaning, and then we'll get it back installed in the car. Once everything's had time to dry, just put your acrylic face down, and you can still see the mark of where the gasket was sitting. So just try to set that up in the same spot. Then take your new faceplate, make sure all the water is out from underneath it. If you have any bubbles or anything like that. So just get a good look from all angles. Some light. So once that looks all set. Just line that back up. Be nice and flush. And you see you have your faceplate all set. So let's get it back in the car. All right, so now we'll just unscrew the bezel. And we'll seat our gauge. Nice and straight. You want to make sure you get it to line up. Hold the plate so that you can tighten it where it needs to be. Now we can do a little trial and error. We will turn the car on, light up the gauge, and we'll see if everything is right where it should be. All right, and there you have it. It is all set. You can see the little light at the bottom is perfectly centered, and everything is in there nice and straight. So I'll grab a couple pics for you guys with the flashlight off to see, but that's it. Super easy to install. Just take off the faceplate, put your new decal on, make sure everything gets situated up nice. Hold your thumb here on the faceplate while you're tightening the bezel to stop everything from rotating, and you will be all set. 10 minutes, 18 bucks, and makes the interior of the car look so much nicer. So hope you guys like. Let me know what you think, and be sure to like and subscribe.